Hey, hello everybody. So where do you get your news from? You know, there's a new news channel out and it's called NewsMax. And I'm going to tell you everything I know about NewsMax. And Sean Spicer and Company has a show on right now. And what time is it? It is 6:36. So it started at 6 o'clock. So if you know who Sean Spicer was, you know who Sean Spicer is. I'm sure you do. You know, if you want Newsmax, you can get it on your cable, your satellite, if you have AT&T, all these things. But you know what they did? They also have it on Pluto TV. And I'm going to show you right now how to get it through Pluto TV. And it's free. It don't cost anything. And the only news media that's not on Pluto right now is Fox News, and I don't know why they haven't gone there. But, you know, Newsmax and Pluto have teamed up together. They got a great news channel. You should check it out. But this is how you get it. Now, thanks for watching my video. When I have new ones coming up that can give you a little bit of free TV stuff, I will make a video for you. But Newsmax is Trump's #1 news channel now, and he says that he loves Newsmax. And there's a lot of people from the White House and from the Senate on Newsmax. So tune in to Newsmax, man. It's pretty good. You guys have a great day, and I have another video for you soon.